What's going on, everyone? My name is Victor Smith. At times you might want to use more than one account for more than one apps. You might want to use multiple accounts for a given app on your phone, but your Android phone does not allow you to do that. In this video, I will show you how to dual apps on Android, on any Android phone. How to dual your apps on any Android phone. You can see here I have two Twitter accounts, a different Twitter account here, and also another different account here. So I have two different Twitter accounts. So I'll show you in this video on how to dual apps on Android. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to settings, and here you have to scroll down to apps. Where you have apps, you go there, then right here where it says dual apps, so you click on dual apps. So if there's any app you want to dual, maybe you want to have two different Facebook accounts on your phone, then you just have to click on this app and you click on dual apps. So that will create two different apps for you for your Facebook account. So when you go to where it says Facebook, when you go to Facebook now, you can see that you have your normal Facebook account, and then when you go now, you also have a new Facebook account as well, where you can also create a different account for your Facebook app. So if there's any other app you want to do again, you want to dual again, you can also do that as well. Just have to do is go to the settings, then just have to click on any other app you want to have multiple accounts in. You just have to click those apps and you have multiple accounts in those apps. So that's just how to dual apps on Android, on any Android device. Now I have two Facebook app on my phone for two different accounts, and two Instagram for two different Instagram accounts. So just have to dual app. All you just have to do is to click enable dual app on your phone. So that will be all for this video. I hope you find the video helpful. My name is Victor Smith, and I'll see you in the next one.